Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification because we got workout videos every single day. Today we're gonna be doing a full body workout to really burn off some belly fat and to help you lose weight. Transformers, let's go. Our first exercise, we're gonna be doing some shoulder presses into a reverse step. 2, 1, and let's go. 40 seconds. You're gonna press that weight up straight to the ceiling, and then you're gonna step back with the right leg and step back with the left leg. Make sure you're keeping that core tight the whole time and punch straight up to the ceiling. Every time you punch, you're gonna breathe out. We have 10 seconds. 2, 1, and time. That's where our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some reverse lunges. You're gonna step back with the left leg, drop down into your back knee, step together, and alternating sides. Right leg, drop down, and step together. In 3, 2, 1, let's start it up. We got 40 seconds. You wanna make sure to keep the chest up nice and high. Keep those shoulders back. As you stand up tall, you're gonna squeeze your bum. "15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna drop the weights. We're gonna hop down onto the floor. We got mountain climbers next. Hands underneath the shoulders. You're gonna drive the right knee to the right elbow, left knee to the left elbow. We're gonna get started in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds, let's go. Good, more than halfway there. And 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna head into our second set. Grab your weights again. We got shoulder presses into a reverse step. These ones right here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Seconds left. 2, 1, and time. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing our reverse lunges. Step back with the left, drop back down into your one knee, and then step together, and then we're gonna be alternating sides. Ready position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start it up. 40 seconds here. As you stand up tall, you're gonna breathe out. 3, 2, 1, and time. Drop the weights. We're gonna transition into our mountain climbers. Push-up position, and then we're gonna drive the knees up. Five seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start it. Good work, you guys. Last 10 seconds coming up. Let's go nice and quick. 3, 2, 1, and time. That's right. We're gonna head on over into our third set. Grab your weights. We got our shoulder presses again. Weights on your shoulders. Ready position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 40 seconds. Every time you press up, breathe out. Make sure you keep your core tight the whole time. 20 seconds. Three, 2, 1, and time. Into our lunges next. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. For these lunges, make sure you take a big step back, drop down to one knee, and then step together, squeeze your bum at the top. Ready position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40 seconds, let's go. Good job, guys. 2, 1, and time. Good work. Let's drop the weights. Mountain climbers next. For this third set, let's go as fast as we can. We'll start here in about 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start it up. Seconds. 10 seconds more, as fast as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. That's right, guys. All right, take a quick break. You got a 20-second transition, and then we got a 60-second break. Grab some water, do a quick stretch, and I'll meet you back here for our second circuit. All right, guys, let's start to get in a ready position. Grab some dumbbells. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some suitcase squats. Dumbbells are gonna be by the side of your legs. Pretend like you're carrying 2 heavy suitcases. We're gonna squat down and then we're gonna squat up. Make sure to stick your bum back here and then stand up tall. Ready position, 2, 1, let's go. 40 seconds. As you stand up tall, I want you to breathe out. Make sure you're engaging the glutes here the whole time. All right, let's get a little lower, 10 seconds. Pump those legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, perfect. Next, stick with the weights. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some bicep curls. Elbows tucked in, palms up, chest up, and then we're gonna curl the arms right here. Let's get in a ready position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. We got 40 seconds, bicep curls. Yeah, it's a great exercise for toning up the arms, strengthening the arms. As you curl up, breathe out. "15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna drop the weights here. We're gonna hop down onto the ground. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some sit-ups. We're gonna sit all the way down, sit all the way up. Make sure your core is nice and engaged. Keep both the shoulders off the floor. As your lower back touches down, you're gonna sit all the way up. 2, 1, 40 seconds, let's go. Great exercise for strengthening that core. Make sure you're breathing out at the top. Engage that core the whole time. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. Let's grab your weights again. We got our suitcase squats to really strengthen the legs. Weights by the side of your legs. Squat down and squat up. Make sure you're sticking your bum back just like you're sitting on a chair. Ready position here. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Got 40 seconds. Make sure the weight's on your heels the whole time. We're standing up nice and tall and we're breathing out at the top. Ten seconds. Let's get a little lower. 3, 2, 1. Our next exercise, we're going bicep curls. Elbows tucked in, chest up. We're gonna curl the arms right here. We're gonna start here in less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start it up. Continue to breathe. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and time. Good, drop the weights. Let's hop back down onto the floor. We got our sit-ups next. Starting in 10 seconds. All right, 5 seconds left. Down, and then all the way up. 2, 1, let's go. Every time you sit up tall, breathe out. Engage the core. Seconds. 2, 1, and time. All right, we got our last set coming up. Let's grab your dumbbells. We got our suitcase squats. All right, we're heading into our last set. Let's make every single second count. Ready, position. 2, 1, and let's go. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time into bicep curls. All right, we're gonna start here in about 10 seconds. Let's get those elbows tucked in. We're gonna curl the weights up nice and high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Almost there, guys. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, last one. Squeeze. 1, and time. Nice work. Drop the weights. We got our last exercise of the workout. We got sit-ups coming up. Give me everything you got. We're gonna start here in about 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 40 seconds hard. This is our last exercise of the day. As soon as you come down, come straight back up. Three, 2, 1, and time. That's what, guys. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a 7-day free personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.